Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this soft bridal inspired makeup look using one of the most beautiful palettes from Huda Beauty in my opinion. I've created a few looks with it and I really like it, so I wanted to do another look with it, but you will see that next. The first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is one of my personal favorite eyeshadow primers. It removes the redness from the eyelid, it's nice and long lasting, and it will make sure that your eyeshadow is also going to stay more long lasting on the eyelids. So then I set it with some powder, and then now it's time for some brow gel. So I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills tinted brow gel. I use it in the color chocolate, and why I really like it is because it makes my brow hair stand out a little bit more. My natural hair color is dark blonde, so I don't have the darkest brow hairs. But this is the palette I'm going to go in with from Huda Beauty. I really like it. It's kind of like your perfect smoky eye palette. So I'm going to start with the first color, which is a really light color. I'm just going to blend this into my crease, kind of like as a transition shade. You can barely see it because it comes really close to my own natural skin color, but I still wanted to apply it to leave with a nice thin layer of eyeshadow, which will make it more easier to blend out the next eyeshadows that I will apply afterwards. So I'm just kind of blending this into my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then I went in with the next color, which is called Liberty. So this is really like a really soft pinkish peach color, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to blend this from the inner corner to the outer corner. Then now I'm gonna go in with this next color, which is this shimmery one, which is so freaking beautiful. And I don't think, like, if you would wear this as your bride makeup, that will be beautiful, but also if you are like a bridesmaid, that will be really pretty as well. It's just a really nice, soft, sparkly shade that you can wear for like any occasion. If you're just going for that soft glam vibe, you know, I really like it. It's just, I love it. The sparkles are just really subtle, but so pretty. So after blending it out, I went in with another layer just to make sure that it really pops on the center of the eyelids. Then I went in with the color Hope, and I'm gonna blend this along the lash line. I wanted to go for kind of like a soft, smoky eyeliner effect. I felt like that goes really well for today's eye look. I mean, not everyone wants to wear like a bold winged liner for their bridal makeup, so we're gonna keep it a bit more soft and sultry today. This is definitely an eye look that I would personally wear if I had my wedding. Me and my partner, we are still engaged for a few years now. A lot of things have come in between. I mean, I got pregnant, we have a baby, you know, so things have been a bit crazy. I prioritized getting the baby first. I know some people think that's probably not the way it should be, but we have been together for 15 years, ever since I was really young. So it's not like I'm going anywhere. I know he's the one for me. So for me, it doesn't really feel weird to first have a baby because I know like he's the one for me and we're never gonna separate. I'm 100% sure about that. But I hope to marry maybe on paper already, just because it feels good, and then maybe later we will have a party. I don't know yet. Honestly, I'm not really busy with it. I don't really feel like it's a priority at this moment. So one day we will marry. In the meanwhile, we will just stay engaged and maybe marry in private on paper. But I definitely want to wear a wedding dress one day, so there will be a party one day, but I'll keep you guys posted once it's time. So now back to makeup. So I cleaned up that whole under eye area, and then I went in with this pencil from Charlotte Tilbury in the color Super Nudes, and then I went in with the color Hope, and I'm gonna kind of blend that underneath the lower lash line, kind of starting halfway underneath the lash line and then applying it more towards the outer part of the eyelid, kind of connecting the upper part of the eyeliner with the lower lash line. Then I'm going to blend this out using the color Liberty. Absolutely love all the shades. I think this is so beautiful for a wedding makeup. I really think so. I mean, you can do like this eye look with different colors. I really should do like a similar eye look, but with like a total different like color. I think that would be really nice as well. So now I'm gonna curl the lashes because it's time for mascara. I'm gonna go in with this Falsy Surreal mascara from Maybelline. Now, if you're recreating this, of course, you don't have to go in with false lashes. You can also only wear mascara. I don't really personally like my own natural lashes. I have really long bottom lashes, but my upper lashes are never really looking good. I should really start like using a lash serum again, because I did use that in the past and it did work. But for now, it's just not the way I want it to be. But I'm going in with the Blessings lashes from House of Lashes. These are so stunning. I absolutely love them. But like I said, you don't have to go in with lashes if you don't want to. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. I hope this gave you some inspiration for if you are having a wedding, even if you maybe if you are a bride or a bridesmaid, for both occasions or situation, it will be really pretty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it, because this way I know what kind of videos you guys like, and it just helps to push my videos in the algorithm. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.